rau này không mì đi đây là này này chung vi này không không vi mang hiệu
kia chút vậy
này là tầm coro hai thang kia này tầm coro pa
rồi bạn cái giá màng rồi là không rồi nhiều nằm nhiều nằm hả còn đấy mà đó đời bây giờ gọi đọc sẵn nhiều mà sao nó làm là tài khoản hay thì ghi nó nhiều cái khoản làm cho em làm khó rộng như vậy rộng quá như vậy lắm như vậy cho nó mất gì đấy người ta nó muốn cái gì này thì nhớ cho nó có nè
orang Campuchia mana orang Campuchia mana
dạ
Campuchia nhập tre rồi mất bây giờ orang Campuchia mà Ini komplain dengan juga. để đâu mà bọc cần để đâu cần định ra không cần thôi
About that time, about 11:33, we would march toward the Cambodia Royal Embassy, chanting slogan. They will be mostly in English because we are broadcasting in the United States and they speak English. We don't have a country and a farm.
một chế nó muốn theo một chế đã
Of the slogan that we are going to say. If you can remember, that would be great, but if you cannot, you will remember after a few times. Alright? And the question is, rather than one question, the answer, the first answer is, this is for me, give an example. What do we want? And the answer should be freedom. The first answer. Okay, answer number one. What is answer number one? What? Let's practice question one. What do we want? Again, what do we want? I want it loud and clear one more time. What do we want? All right. The second question is, the answer would be democracy. Okay? So when I say, what do we want? What do we want? The answer would be what? Let's give an example. What do we want? Again, what do we want? What do we want? Let's go back to the first question in case you forget. The first question, not the second, not the second one, okay? The first question, what do we want? You pass the test. What do we want? What do we want? Okay, go to the second question. What do we want? Oh, you pay the test. What do we want? What do we want? Question one, what do we want? Question two, what do we want? Okay, now we're ready for the third, right? Alright, listen carefully. I'm testing you. Whether you pass or fail the test, I'm a teacher for 32 years. Alright? Okay, the third question, the answer would be human rights. Would be human rights. Thank you, that's a lot better. Okay? What do we want? The third answer will be human rights. Okay? Are you ready for the third question? What do we want? What do we want? What do we want? Okay, let's go to the first. The first question. What do we want? What do we want? Second question. What do we want? What do we want? Third question. What do we want? What do we want? I 100%. Okay. The fourth question is, the answer would be justice. Anyone say justice? What do we want? What do we want? What do we want? Are you ready for all four questions now? Okay, first question. What do we want? What do we want? Second question, ready? What do we want? What do we want? What do we want? Are you ready for the third one? What do we want? Louder. Are you done for the time? What do we want? What do we want? Last question. What's the last question? Keep the pictures, perfect, clean. Okay, what do we want? What do we want? Okay, so when we say this, I'm smiling. I'm laughing right now. I want to start, but when we are doing the rally, the Vietnam rally, we start back. We are serious. Really patient. We are really not effort, not but to be serious. I thought what we did in the rally.
Ra đây nó nhỏ đây này, lại ngồi nữa.